sir, on behalf of my alumni. We are a integral part of this institution. And let me tell you, my name is Maharaj Bani. I'm from Rafiabad. There's a village in Baramulla, sir. I joined this institute way back in 2008. And after joining this institute, my village is a very backward village. This institute gave excellence to me, and I thought of civil service when I was in 4th semester. So when I left the college in 2012, I qualified assistant commandant examination after 6 months of leaving this college. But I did not join that. I was at that time working for IS interview. I got into waiting list of Indian Information Service, and in the same year I got into Kashmir Administrative Service, and I'm the youngest till date to qualify this examination. Currently I'm holding there are about 11 chances that range from District COVID Officer Bandipora, District Vaccination Officer, General Manager Industries and Commerce, Snow Preparedness, Labour Office. So there are plenty of departments, sir. So this institution has provided me an opportunity. First I got selected in GCD Jammu, that's Government Engineering College Jammu. But when I spoke to the alumni of this college, they told me that if you have an institute at your doorstep, why will you go to Jammu at that time? So I left the government college for this institute, and I'm very thankful to Manzoor sir, was actually at the time, and Iqbal sir was just telling me, he taught us mathematics, and he told me that whenever you came to class, you had Hindu in your bag. So this institute gave me exposure to a villager who could not speak legitimate word in English, who is from a government school. That gave me the exposure to dream of the examination which we are not aware of. And at that point of time, internet service, we could not dream of mobile phone. I got my first mobile phone in 2013. So information was not available, and despite of that, this institute gave me such exposure by industrial visits, by projects, other things I could speak, and my interview was very good at UPSC and other things. And this time I can tell it as a distinction that I'm the only officer who has got 25 awards till date. I was awarded on 26th of Jan, 15th of August. And then
you haven't done anything for the college. Say what have you done for the college?
I will just tell you what I have done for the college. I could not afford coaching at the point of time. And I felt that in Delhi, whenever people from Kashmir or other smaller states go, they feel discrimination in terms of coaching. Fee was very high. I started an initiative called the Direction Initiative at Karanagar, Srinagar, which has guided near about 15,000 students. And we have one IS section who is Bisma Kazi. She is IPS now, Assistant Commissioner in Delhi.
Again, a student.
She's also from the same college. So when I was an alumni, she told me that she wanted to go for the service. I guided her. I don't claim her success, but I was a party to that. And after that, 46 selections in KS are from my initiative. We have 48 sub-inspector selections, sir, and most of them are from my SSM college, sir. My project manager, my block investigator, my IPO, I have the distinction of being the officer of the people who are my batchmates in the college. And that's the distinction, sir. And currently, most of the students from SSM college, this time 400 students I enrolled in the institute, I get them early in the morning at 7:30. So among them, most of the people from SSM college, they message me, I guide them in a proper way. We have 5-6 WhatsApp groups, so I get 1,500 students as of now, when I get the time. So college is very close to my heart. Whenever any student asks me, I give preference to my college. And whenever any friend, some entrepreneurs come to me for industrial loans and other things, so we help them, because we are linked to this college. This college has given us excellence. Or I can only say that नसीब हो हमारे कॉलेज को ऐसा उरूज दुनिया में कि आसमान भी इनकी रिफतों पर नाज करें। और मेरे पास सर आप आए हैं, मेरे पास कहने के लिए और कुछ भी नहीं है, बस इतनी छोटी सी तमन्ना ये कॉलेज बुलंदियों को छुए। और जो हमारा नेशन है, इट्स ए डेवलपिंग नेशन, एंड by 2040 we are targeting that we can be developed. So for that purpose we need budding blocks, and this budding block comes from an institute which can show them excellence. We have Shaheens here, but we are directionless. So this institute is an excellence in itself. Because of COVID, we saw how students suffer in North India and other parts. I was a COVID officer. I saw how much evacuation was difficult at that point of time, and people got into a dilemma of online exams, offline exams. Because this college's distinction, it started online classes, online exams, provided help to the students. So that speaks volumes about the college, sir. Good. And once again, I thank you, sir. It took a lot of time. I welcome you here. I don't believe in grades, because the alumni of this college are marked and created in each and every field of life. So whatever grade the college gets, the alumni got the potential. They are everywhere in every part of the world, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for your visit. I wish you best of luck.
You are not inviting them to show your districts and the best of.
Sir, it will be my honor, sir. Just spare me today, sir. Tomorrow.
So what I feel is the biggest contribution. You need not to say. It is reflected that the sky is the limit.
Definitely, sir.
Generally, most of our students, they have a habit of blaming the situation, condition, facilities. You have proved it And basically that is the biggest example that opportunities are everywhere. It is you who have to explore.
Sir, it comes from the border area.
That is what I am saying. That is what I am saying. That most of us we face the problem with the student. Sir, ये problem है. Sir, ये problem है. It is everywhere. Out of the problems you have to come what is available to you. And it is you who have to live the life and perform. We can guide, we can facilitate all the teachers. So grateful.
So next.
They are doing efforts on that, but you guide them into it.
I joined this college in 2012 and passed out in 2017. I'm a recent Kashmir Administrative Services qualifier. So I was selected into a 2020 batch, currently undergoing training. So about this college, so I come from not a very forward, not a very backward place. I come from Sopur. I think you might be heard about this place in news. There's a turmoil and all those things because it's in news. So, sir, regarding my career opportunities, I think SSM is the point where I just changed my mind. It was a turning point for my life because I'm very thankful to Dilafroz ma'am because she uses to just invite all those bureaucrats and all those forever awarding ceremonies during our graduation day. So I was really impressed when I saw all those members and all those dignitaries on the stage presenting awards to the people. I was fortunately topper of my batch in electrical engineering. So that was the turning point in my life. So I'm really thankful to this college that provided me an opportunity to make my career in civil services. So I'm really thankful for that. And in addition to all those things, my faculty members and my HOD, I'd like to mention here, they have just molded and trimmed my personality in such a way, such a manner that helped me a lot throughout my preparation of this civil service examination. So let me tell you, during our training at IMPA, Institute of Management and Public Administration, Srinagar, all of those members that were there when I just was going through the presentations, they gave me a standing ovation. I don't know why. They told me that you have something in your speaking skills that nobody else has. I don't know how I possess them, but I would like to just thank all my faculty members who have trained me in such a manner through all those presentations and all those things that happened during the course of this program, that is the Bachelor's in Engineering. So before the civil services, I was working with Vedantu online. I think you might be knowing about it. I was working as a physics expert. Meanwhile, and after that I qualified civil service examination. So, so regarding this college, I just keep on coming here. Just during the pandemic also, I held some of the seminar sessions, the webinar sessions regarding the career counseling and inspiring our younger generations and my younger these students regarding the same civil service as a career and all those things. So I'm really thankful to the college regarding the alumni that it has produced, like Naveed Rambu sir is there, Mehraj sir is there, Bisma Kazi ma'am is there. So much alumni of the reputed civil servants. So that is one of the most big inspiration for me to become a civil servant, and that's what I am today. I'm really thankful for my college.
To Anantnag, not a privileged student I would say, but I was to somehow exposed to some of the vagaries of the nature. But I qualified examination regarding the entrance in 2012, and then I joined MIT, which is an engineering college in Jammu. But I had my some seniors there, so they told me you should better go to SSM because aapke ghar pe hai. That's the reality that they told me, because staying away from home when for 12th till 12th standard you were home tutored or you were tutored, because I have been a hostelier as well. So I have lived for 4 years in the hostel as well, and to be honest, this was my second home. In the initial days it was tough because I was that particular kid in my home who used to have everything at the plate. But when I got exposed to SSM, I had a new reality. But to be honest, Dilafroza ma'am, I remember one of the incident in our hostel. Ma'am was so supportive that we were so honored by that. We felt like we were a part of a bigger family, not just being in the college, but being in the hostel. So that was my first exposure to the realities. And then I would proudly say that SSM has widened my reach. It has widened my perspective about life, because I was not exposed to anything. But coming to SSM, it made me exposed to everything, every reality and every course of my life, which I could point out to. So after that, I went for civil services. Unfortunately, I missed my IAS prelims by half a marks in my first attempt and 1 mark in my second attempt. So after that, I have joined Vedantu. I'm a social science expert in Vedantu, But everything I would credit to SSM College of Engineering and Technology and to my faculty at Engineering Department. They helped me to shape my career, and to Dilafroza ma'am as well, because she provided a home over our heads, a shelter over our heads. I'm grateful for SSM College. Nobody there, I would say, there are some criticisms to have a visit to SSM and study at SSM, because it will shape you in a better path. It will shape you in a wider path and give you a better perspective about life.
एक किस्सा सुनाना चाहता हूँ आपको। मेरा कंप्लीट हो गया बीटेक 2018। आई वाज मैं यहाँ आया 2010 में। मैम के पास गया एज एवरीबडी। मैंने कुछ पॉइंट्स बताए। मैम टोल्ड मी दैट शाकिर आप मेरे पास आए, आपने बोला कि मुझे प्रोजेक्ट करना है। मैंने परमिशन दी, मैंने बोला यस मैम। मैम सेड कि आपने बोला कि मुझे स्पेस चाहिए विद इन द कॉलेज, मैंने प्रोवाइड की, मैंने बोला यस मैम। मैम ने बोला कि आपने बोला पैसे चाहिए फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट, मैंने प्रोवाइड की, मैंने बोला यस मैम। चेक वाज इन माय हैंड। दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज वन थिंग, दैट वी स्टूडेंट्स ऑलवेज थिंक इन वन मैनर। वी डू जो असल में बात है वो है ये कॉलेज बनना इस इन सर्कमस्टेंस में जहाँ पे एवरीबडी नोज अबाउट द कश्मीर, यहाँ पे रन कराना मेरे हिसाब से कि मैं ऑनेस्टली मतलब सर झुका के और खड़े होके इनको सलाम करता हूँ इस चीज़ के लिए। Introducing myself, my name is Shakir Sultan. I am from a small village in district Kulgam, Budru Yaripura. So I went here in 2010. First, I completed diploma here. After that, I was teaching here as a lab assistant. Then, by later entrance, I get admission again here of BTech. In 2018, I completed my BTech. After then, I joined RAC. I am working as a project engineer in RAC, Transmission Projects Limited, in making transmission towers. Sir, and as an alumni, I am from 2010. I am always working with this college. I am fully engaged with the students, and I am helping all the जो भी
You might have seen
students
the
आते हैं उनके
transporter
projects।
in the electrical department in the lobby. That is he who made when he was a student.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, sir.
My name is Azmat. I am a student of SSM College. I'm a pass out of SSM College. I am from the 2013 batch, and we passed out in 2018. I'm from the computer science department. I want to take a slight detour from what everybody was talking about, because I come from a different background. I come from a position of privilege, and SSM was not my first choice. Immediately after completing my 12th standard, I decided that, I knew that I wanted to do engineering, but I wasn't sure where. So I applied, appeared in different entrance exams and everything, and I got selected in SSM. But I decided not to come here because I had that whole misconception that people generally have about colleges. हमारे एक कहावत है कि अपनों ने पैगंबर नहीं माने. So that is what the situation was like for me. And I opted to go for a paid degree to LP, which is Lovely Professional University in Jalandhar. I started in Jalandhar for about 2 years when I suddenly had some really bad health issues. SSM, because that's what Kashmir University offered me. But to be honest, in terms of what I am doing currently, since I was from the computer science background, it was sort of a natural choice for me to go looking for opportunities. So I moved to Bangalore, where I joined a design firm, and I worked with them for about a year. It was an Italian design firm. I was the area sales manager for them at that point, and within a couple of months of working, I realized this is something that I don't really want to do permanently, because the college had widened my perspective so much that I knew that my potential is not limited to this. At this point, I am an entrepreneur with 3 different businesses running under my wing. I have a successful restaurant, I have a successful fashion chain, and I have a successful events company that's running, all of which I'm running between Bangalore and Kashmir, majorly in Bangalore. My restaurant has been voted the best Kashmiri restaurant according to Times. At the moment, we've been covered by NDTV, we've been covered by Condé Nast, we've been covered by LBB and all of those. In terms of our fashion wing, we are currently working on a model of complete revival of Kashmiri crafts, working with on-ground craftsmen and artisans. In terms of our events company, we've been instrumental in organizing some really successful and very big events. All of this is something that I was able to do because of the kind of experience that I gained in the college. I was always very involved in everything that was happening in the college. I was a part of the student committee as well when I was here. So throughout my journey, we had a balance of academics as well as co-curriculars and extracurriculars, all of which has come together and shaped my personality and made me who I am and enabled me to do what I'm doing today. So I think these are some of the things that have really impacted somebody like me. A lot of people are walking down the entrepreneurial path now, especially because of the opportunities that the college provides. So,
can we be brief?
Yes,
Because
of course,
everybody
yes.
They have come all the way. Everyone has come home.
Yeah,
And I
mean,
don't remember everyone. I want to see them today.
no problem, ma'am. So that's what I would, I think, like to say. I think, one very important thing that I would like to say is there are a lot of students who pass out from multiple different colleges, especially in Kashmir. We have an NIT, we have Islamic University, so many different places where people are passing out from. But if there's one distinction SSM students have, it is that every single one of them is settled and doing something really amazing, which you don't see in people who are graduating even out of NIT, even out of Islamic University. I know of people who've done PhD from NIT and they're still sitting and have no clue what to do with their lives and are still lost. But with SSM, we're all, every one of us is just a graduate, right? We've just done our graduations and some of us have done other stuff outside. But from here, every one of us passing out is settled and doing something really amazing. So that's something.
Sir, in our national NIT, there was 10 to 12 contracts.
Chale, start kar, jaldi.
I'm not graduated from this college, but I think after the advertisement for post-graduation in mechanical engineering came here, I was at Kashmir University. I had appeared in the entrance and I got admission here. So the first when I got admission here, I came. The location is such a beautiful that Shanti Niketan, you can say as per Ravindra Tagore. That is a very beautiful location for the education. Here comes the solace, and whatever feedback is given you, you absorb it. Second thing, so far my 2 papers are already published. We have a very good research here in mechanical engineering, and I am working as assistant engineer in the Jal Shakti board here. One of my JE is also here. Most of the people who are water managers in the state, I just saw him here. Most of the people were water managers in the Jammu and Kashmir state, keeping all the conditions, the geographical, the terrain. Most at the ground I felt that pass outs from this college are very much competent. This is a sincere and fair appreciation. Second thing I observed during my research work, very cooperative, very enthusiastic faculty here, encouraging for the not only the national, international level standards, in this even backward era, in this institution. Rest I wish all the best to the college. This is the natural heart out from me, nothing we need fabricated.
Thank you.
In Nalayaka I can speak in Tamil. It is a Nalayaka and deserves.
It's near Gulmarg. I am Gulmarg, right? One of the best English station in Kashmir. So when I say about SSM, so like I started my career with SSM in 2017. So I completed my master's in business administration. So like and few negative things as well. But we should when we see few negative things are like there are like many things which you know about Kashmir, right? So because of that, we have a huge impact in our like and career of students. They are getting stuck. But with the my business school in SSM college, they really helped us in such a way that we found a proper place to get adjusted. So I still remember the day when we were about to complete the course, and this Article 350 got abrogated. So that time it was like, you all know, like when a student is about to finish the degree, so he will be worried about what is my next step. But with the help of our faculty, they always support us through phone, mobile phone like WhatsApp, through virtually they're connecting us, and they're always giving us like lessons in such a way that don't bother, you will go, there are different steps. There are many places in Chennai I have been where actually,
Anna University.
where actually,
Anna University.
exactly, near Anna University.
Uh-huh.
So I Marina Beach, a lot of places are there
Yeah,
where I
yeah.
have been. So that was the first place when I go outside Kashmir. So that's very interesting. When I started with journey with Tata Consultancy Services, he says you know like that is one of the most one of the best IT company, multinational company in India. So currently, so recently before 2 months I have been working in resource impact, working with the talent acquisition team of TCS, where I.
He is holding seminars and he is running a very big project.
Very good.
He is a product of SSM.
Very good. Good. So you are in the governing council as well as parent of,
And I am doctor of SSM also.
Okay.
So I asked her in the afternoon, she
Students, you can come forward.
come forward. So good afternoon to you all. We have come here on behalf of bank. I am Dr. Sharad Maiskar, Dr. Raymond Vaidyanathan, Professor Shailendra Jain. So we have come here to just interact with you. Already many of you must have given some survey question and filled in. How many of you given the survey question and how many of you have given the survey filled into the next?
So we want to know also that what are the good things that are there and also how to improve from there, so that we go some 2-3 good things about the college first. Anybody can start. We have come here to also find in person from you what are the things that you